Good morning guys, time check. It's 10
Sa ano?
a.m. here.
Saturday market siya gali. Tulakaw ka? Ayan.
May nahiling kaming Bicolano, digdi. Masaan ka? Tian man na. So dahil nga malapit na lang yung bahay namin dito sa Saturday market at ilang weeks din kami hindi nakapag Saturday market. So naisipan namin pumunta ngayon. Maganda yung weather and I think it's just 2 minutes walk away from our house and sobrang lapit ng bahay namin sa lahat ng amenities like market, hospital, library, park. Lahat ng malls ay 2 minutes walk away from our house. So, titingin-tingin lang kami ng gulay, mga prutas, at kung anong mga pwedeng or magustuhan naming bilhin. So, eto, lalakad lang kami. Big store still located.
Oh, okay, yeah. Before I buy anything. Look, for the...
Tingin-tingin muna. Sabi mo nga bakal ka tsinelas. Tingin tayo sa... Lemon lime.
Getting a protector on my phone.
Daming toys.
They're at Mitre 10. I think they're about 50.
The Lucius. Mums, beautiful. They're a special one from the other. This is $5. The one over there is also beautiful, $5. I got offered 4 types. Those are the only 2 good ones. These ones get very, very special. Next week or 3 or 4 days from now.
So, eto nga guys yung nabili namin sa market kanina. So, this avocado $5, 8 pieces, 2, 4, 6, 8. Tapos ito yung ibang variety ng plums. 2 different varieties to ng plums. Hindi ko pa kasi ito natitikman na isa. Kaiba siya. Ito, natikman ko na yung ganitong variety. So, $5 din to. And mushrooms and beans. Yan. Kasi bumili yung asawa ko ng rice. Tapos, grass cutter. So, yun lang yung nabili namin sa market. Thank you for watching.